I'm doing a video on spider webs outside on the bushes. Just want to show you one here. Spider was on this web going back and forth, but I don't see him right now. There's a big web on top of the bush. Oh yeah, there's a spider right there. Can you see that guy right there? Yeah, making their webs. But this is interesting. This one's got a web bridged across these two bushes. Makes you wonder, how do they do that? Does the spider actually jump over to the other bush to get across there like that? That's pretty cool. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Yeah, can you see the cobweb or the spider webs on the bush? There's the spider. He's right out there in between, ready for his catch. This is the spider web out here on this bush. And if you notice closely, I'm showing this right through a window. And this spider has attached his web to the window. If you see these little shoots coming out there on their own, that's where he attached it to the window. Isn't that cool? Down in that hole there is where that spider is, ready for his next insect victim. And there's one over here, and he's got some insects caught, and they're hanging there in his web. Anyways, I just thought this was interesting. Hello everyone. Come along with us. We're taking a road trip. I'm not going to tell you where we're going. You'll find out when we get there. We'll let you know. We'll give a little idea of where we're at as far as what we're doing and where we're going in at that location. And it'll be a surprise and it'll be fun. We've heard about this place, but this is our first time going there. And we thought as long as we're going there for our first time, we'd film it and let you see it, so you can enjoy it along with us. It's pretty exciting if you like where we're headed, and you can tell us if you like it once we put the video up. But anyways, it'll be fun. It's kind of neat to look down the road and off to the side as we're traveling to our destination. Right here you can see we're going by a car racing spot and heading on down the road. Looks like we're going faster than the speed limit, but we're not. We're going 55 miles an hour. Just enjoying the drive. Beautiful day out in the 80s. And just real nice for September. You can see the color is really starting to show. The leaves are falling. Won't be long and then we'll be into real colder weather. But hopefully it's going to stay around for better than a month yet before we get into real cold. And then we'll have some snow pictures to show you. We don't know how much snow we're going to get this winter. We didn't get much last winter. But we'll keep you informed, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Here we are at a nature walk.
Yep, we're on a nature walk today. We thought it'd be it's going to be in the 80s today in Michigan. We're in mid-Michigan. We're at the Price Nature Center. Okay, come along with us. Birch trees. Here we go.
Let's go check it out.
Okay, let's go, everybody. Walking over the bridge. Oh, this is the wilderness.
Isn't that neat?
Oh my goodness. This is definitely a wilderness. Look at the trees, you guys. We're going up. Look up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Oh my goodness.
Nice.
Tall trees. Heard something. Here we go. Here we go. Hope there's no bears, coyotes. I'm not into that kind of thing. I like them at a distance. Here we go. My goodness, these trees are huge. You'd think we're in California in the redwood forest. This is neat. Wow. I'm enjoying this walk. Relaxation. Time to get away on a beautiful day today. So,
here we are in the park. We're sitting on a bench in here. It's really nice and relaxing. All these trees and this wooded area. This is fantastic. I didn't realize it was such a nice park to come into.
I didn't either. It's right in our, it's close to, you know, just close to us. And
Yes.
if you want to come to relax, this is where to relax. You hear nothing but nature.
Nice big trees in here. Really looks
Like I
nice.
said, you'd think you're in California in the redwoods.
Yeah, I like it.
You know, they're tall trees.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this, and we'll be back.
See you later.
See that hollowed out log in the background?
Come on over this way with me.
Here he said, come over here. Here I go. Let's take a look at this hollowed out log. Look at, that's a place little animals could be in, living in nature. There's a big old tree, oak tree, that fell down, just plain old rotted.
This is pretty neat in here. We've got a lot of huge trees. These trees are big and old. I love it. Nice forest. Nice forest in Michigan. Look at how nice and deep that is back in there, and thick.